Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we discuss health, wellness, and tips for a healthier lifestyle. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: kidney health. These organs are crucial for our bodies, and it's essential to take care of them for our long-term well-being. So let's get right into it. I've put together a special script about some drinks that can help detoxify and promote kidney health. Let's dive into this journey of discovery together. First stop: green tea. Who doesn't love a warm cup of green tea, right? Besides being delicious, green tea is loaded with antioxidants that help fight free radicals and prevent kidney stone formation. So, make sure to include 1 or 2 cups of this wonderful tea in your daily routine. Now let's talk about lemon juice. Squeeze half a lemon into warm water in the morning, and you'll have a powerful alkalizing drink packed with vitamin C, which is great for preventing kidney stone formation. Oh, and this mixture also helps neutralize acids in the body. How about starting your day with this burst of freshness? And who said coffee is only for giving us that morning boost? Studies suggest that moderate coffee consumption may be related to a lower risk of chronic kidney disease. That's right. Additionally, coffee has diuretic properties that help increase urine flow and eliminate toxins. So, enjoy up to 2 cups a day, but don't overdo the caffeine. Moving on to cranberry juice, this drink is not only delicious but can also help prevent urinary tract infections thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Compounds in cranberry prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. A dose of protection and health in every sip. And let's not forget about beet juice. Rich in nutrients like beta-carotene and folate, this juice is a true health bomb for the kidneys. Moreover, its detoxifying properties help eliminate waste and toxins from the body. How about including a glass of this juice in your daily routine? Last but not least, good old sparkling water. Besides keeping us hydrated, sparkling water has a mild diuretic action that helps increase urine flow and eliminate toxins from the body. So don't forget to stay well hydrated throughout the day, and sparkling water can be an excellent option. So there you have it, folks. Did you enjoy the tips? These drinks are true allies in promoting kidney health and can make a big difference in your life. Always remember to take care of your body, after all. Health is our greatest treasure. If you like this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Stay tuned, and until next time.